What's up, guys? Welcome to 360 JR TV, and today we have a washing style for you guys. But before we get into the washing style, I need to give you guys a rundown of what this channel is going to consist of because this is the first video. So I'll be posting 3 times a week, hopefully Monday, Thursdays, and Saturdays. But Mondays is going to be any type of wave videos, brush sessions, washing styles, how-to videos, whatever it is that's going to help you guys improve your waves or get waves if you are a beginner, all right? Everything consisting of this brand is going to be about improving and getting waves, all right? Tuesdays is not going to be a video on Tuesdays. I will be posting a YouTube poll. It's going to be a question and answer. You choose, you know, it's like a little quiz, and then it's obviously helping you guys, you know. And then we have Thursday is going to be a tournament Thursdays, whatever. It's basically rating waves, and I will be narrowing it down to a couple of contestants, and then you guys will be picking the winners for that tournament on my Instagram. So make sure you guys follow me at my Instagram, 360JRTV, and you guys vote in the poll on Instagram who will be the winner of that tournament. If you want to be included in one of those videos, you guys can obviously DM me. And then we have Saturdays, there's going to be a reaction video. It could be a wave video, or it can just be some type of random video, but I will be starting off with wave videos, and then we'll probably, you know, progress towards other types of reactions. But without further ado, let's get into the washing style. Washing styles are going to help, you know, improve your waves if you already have waves, and if you don't have waves, it's definitely going to help you start your wave journey. Why? Because when you're brushing, your hair moves more easily, therefore training your waves to form, you know, and your hair is more easily to move when it's wet, so it's gonna help the waves come in. So yeah, let's get into this washing style method. All you're gonna need is some shampoo, some water, a brush that you're not really, you know, that thoughtful about, instead of using your good brush or whatever. I don't know. But make sure you guys have a mirror, shampoo, and a brush. Also, if you guys would like this shampoo, it is called Biotin and Collagen. You guys can check out the link in the description below to purchase you some thick and full Biotin and Collagen shampoo. Alright, now to end it off, you want to grab just a tiny dab of shampoo, and then this is where you're going to just start laying everything down. Alright, as soon as you're ready to be done, you want to go in with the do-rag. Now we're going to rinse this out with some cold water with the do-rag on. Alright, now that we've got the shampoo rinsed out with cold water, just gonna let it air dry, and we'll be back with the results in a couple of hours maybe. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Comment down this below if you watched the end of this video. Thank you so much if you did. Stay tuned for tomorrow's YouTube poll. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, 360JRTV, because the winners for the tournaments will be posted on Instagram. You guys will be picking the winners on Instagram. I'll explain more about how that'll all work in Thursday's tournament. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that video and the reaction video for Saturday. Hopefully. Well, make sure you guys subscribe so you guys are tuned in for those videos and you don't miss a beat.